Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Issue a writ, order or direction in the nature of certiorari, quashing the impugned order dated 11/2/2020, passed by opposite party number 2, contained in annexure number 1 to the writ petition. Full stop. Issue a writ, order or direction in the nature of mandamus, commanding the opposite party number 2 to finalize the list of members of the general body of the society in view of the parameters provided in section 4b of the Societies Registration Act, 1860, and include name of petitioners in the final list of members of the society. Full stop. The case set forth by the petitioner is that the last elections of the society were held on 18/6/2019, of which the result was declared on 19/6/2019. Full stop. Copy of the result has been filed as Annexure 4 to the writ petition. Full stop. 1. Sri Imtiaz Ahmad was elected as secretary. Full stop. Thereafter, it was decided to induct new members, and thus a notice was issued both in the newspaper as well as pasted on the notice board of the society inviting applications. Full stop. It is contended that various persons had applied for membership, including the 28 petitioners, in September, 2019. Full stop. As per the by-laws, the petitioners had deposited a sum of rupees 1100 each of the membership fee (the membership as per) considered the general body meeting held on 28/9/2019, a copy of which is Annexure 13 to the writ petition. Full stop. In the meeting held on 17/11/2019, the society improved the induction of the petitioners as members. Full stop. Considering clause 21 of the bylaws and the secretary being duly authorized as per bylaws to carry on all necessary correspondence, Sri Imtiaz Ahmad, the secretary, informed the registrar about the membership in November, 2019. Full stop. Certain objections of complaints were filed by 1. Sri Jia Kausar and Hafiz Anwar, along with other complaints, and the registrar issued notices to the society to justify the new membership. Full stop. It is claimed that even the petitioners filed their objections representation before the registrar YD. Representation dated 19/1/2020, a copy of which is Annexure 30 to the petition. Full stop. The registrar thereafter proceeded to hear the matter, and by means of the impugned order dated 11/2/2020, a copy of which is Annexure 1 to the writ petition, held that the membership of the 28 petitioners as members is not established, and has thus not found the 28 petitioners to be validly inducted members of the society. Full stop. He has further directed that the elections be held in the society from the list of 28 members for which objections have been invited, for the purpose of correction of any clerical errors in the list of such members. Full stop. Being aggrieved, the present petition has been filed. Full stop. Raising a challenge to the impugned order, learned counsel for the petitioners has primarily indicated 3 grounds, namely that the registrar has patently exceeded his jurisdiction, as provided under Section 4B of the Societies Registration Act, 1960, within bracket, hereinafter referred to as Act, 1960, full stop. In examining more documents than prescribed in such as the registrar could only examine the correctness of the list of members of the parameters and on the basis of the documents as indicated in section 4B of the Act, 1860, full stop, over.